Have you found yourself having brilliant ideas, but fail to follow through on them? Do you move on from task to task, changing so often that you could not complete any one of them? Imagine you are planting a seedling in the garden. You pick your spot and drop your seeds into the soil. A couple of days later, you find a nicer spot in your garden where the sunlight is stronger. And before the seedling sprouts, you dig it up and move it to the new spot. Sometime again, you find a spot in your garden where the soil seems richer. You dig up your seedling and move it again. Soon, you are moving the seedling to another garden, and another. The seedling is like our ideas, and the plot of land is like our resources, such as effort, time, and energy. If we keep shifting our ideas, we do not allow our seedlings to grow with strong roots. Without strong roots, the seedling will eventually die, even if it is given the best resources. If we keep digging through our garden, we will end up with many holes without any plants. Like how we end up feeling drained without accomplishing anything. And if we neglect our seedling, it will not have enough water or nutrients to grow healthily. And our plot of land will end up covered with weed. Life is the same. When we have an idea, we need to give it the attention it needs. We need to give it time for it to grow. We need to put in effort and give our energy for our ideas to take shape. You cannot be planting everything at once as well. Learn to prioritize. Focus on each area of your garden at one time. Focus on one task before moving on to the next. Have a vision of how you want your garden to look like. Have a vision of what you want to achieve before you throw random seeds across your field. Assess your garden's conditions from time to time. Understand the condition of your soil, the humidity, and the sunlight. Similarly, know your strengths and weaknesses and improve on them. If you lack the knowledge to grow something, seek out a guide from other gardeners. Learn from others, or go back to school and improve your skills. Equip and update yourself to better succeed at your goals. Tend to your garden often. Pull out any weed that starts to grow. Likewise, weed out other distractions and mindless activities that is in your way. Perhaps, reduce surfing the net aimlessly or playing excessive computer games. Stay focused on your goals. At the end of the day, you reap what you sow. You get the results of the efforts that you put into your goals. If you exercise regularly, you become healthier over time. If you spend time with people, you build better relationships. And if you save diligently, you get closer to your financial goals. Results take time, just like it takes time for the seedlings to grow. The next time you find yourself distracted, remember that having a goal and getting there is like sowing a seed in your garden. Thank you for your time with us. We hope you enjoyed this short audio guide. For more self-help audio guides, subscribe to this channel.